channel, it's Porsha Marie here. We're back with another makeup review. Today we are going to be reviewing the NYX Bare With Me Blur Skin Tint. Okay, I have mine in the shade Deep 20, and this is Deep Bronze. I think I am the shade 19, but if you want to see how I got this look, continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get on with the video. Okay, so in today's video, we are going to be reviewing the NYX Blur Tint. Okay, this is the Bare With Me Blur. I have mine in the shade 20 Deep. I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face. I am going to go in with this Daily Moisturizer by e.l.f. I have been loving. You always want to moisturize your skin. Keep it hydrated. I do have some new products coming. I am waiting for their sunscreen, so you can watch it here on this channel. Okay, next we're going to go in with the NYX primer. I've been loving this primer as well. And it has a very sticky tacky base. Okay, so this tint is going to stick. Okay, so I think I'm the shade 19, but I got 20 because they didn't have 19 in the store. So this is a first impression. We're going to go ahead and see. Okay, I'm going to squeeze some on the back of my hand and then place it on my face. That's how much I got. Let's see. Ooh. We gonna see. And that was just like one little squeeze. Okay, so this is the foundation, and I dabbed it all over my face. We're going to go in with this Refi brush, and we're going to stipple it in to the skin. It don't look that bad, y'all. Do it. Let's see. It looks like it blends right in. This is medium coverage. Medium coverage, matte blurred finish. We're going to go in with a little bit more because I can see a light to medium coverage. Okay. This is how the foundation is looking. Well, skin tint is looking. Okay. We're about to go ahead and bronze and highlight. I am going to go in with this NYX Wonder Stick. And this is in Deep. Then we're going to go in with Deep Golden and Sand to highlight. Do y'all work on the back of your hand? Because I usually just work on the back of my hand to get me what I need. Okay, this is Deep Golden. And Sand is a little lighter for the highlight. This is a very natural skin tint. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. Then we're going to blend out this bronzer. Okay, y'all, this is how the face is looking with the concealer and the bronzer blended out. I haven't added any powder, but now I'm going to go in with my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop in Tan and Mocha for the perimeter. Okay, that was Tan. Then we're going to go in with NYX and Mocha. I'm going to go in with the One Size palette to bronze. And with some clear gloss. Alright, y'all, this is the final look. I've added the blur tint. This is in Deep Bronze 20, and this is a light, I would say this is a light to medium coverage. This is how the face is looking. Okay, it's just something a little light B. If you gotta run errands or something, I would definitely throw this on right here. And the shade does look dark, but once you blend it out, it blended in beautifully. So yeah, this is my first impressions on this NYX Blur Skin Tint. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys, until next time.